Okay, hello everybody. No Twitter for us pre-market before we develop our bias. So something interesting. Let's see, we got the 15 minute here. In the 15 minute, we have SMT with these highs right here. We got SMT. Oh crap. And then we have SMT with these highs. Interestingly enough, we have a 15-minute unmitigated gap resting right above this buy side liquidity right here. So what I'm expecting to happen today, oh, and we also have LRL resting lower with London low as a drawn liquidity. With London low as a drawn liquidity, perfect external to internal back down to this fair value gap, which I anticipate there being another long setup back up to external draws, which would be, allow us to continue higher. But this is an unmitigated hourly gap. Nope, we already mitigated that hourly gap. So that's just something interesting that I saw pre-market. But ooh, would you look at that on ES? We have equal lows right there. So have equal lows there on ES. So it's just a pretty interesting day. But overall, that's what I'm looking at is, targeting this trendline liquidity lower, because I still don't want to take buys until we take out this trendline liquidity anyway. And if I'm not mistaken, yeah, we didn't take out those lows, so these are relative equal lows as well. So yeah, I feel like today is just relative equal lows with LRL, with SMT at these highs, with the unmitigated 15-minute gap. Yeah, this is just looking pretty sexy for shorts here. And we also, like, with this trendline liquidity resting below, we can't really continuation buys here because we have trendline liquidity resting below. So this has to be taken out before I can personally take longs. So now what I'm happy for is now I can scroll Twitter, because I know off the open I'm looking for this gap to get filled. So we're going to go ahead and grab our path tool. If I can find it. I wanted to clear my charts up a little bit because I felt like, I had a lot going on in my head. I just wanted to make sure, we could be as clear as possible. And then bang. So we're going to post our daily bias to Twitter now. If you guys want to follow me on Twitter, it is cgjuulzz with 2 Z's, cgjuulzz. I'll just pull it up actually. If you guys want to follow my Twitter, this is my Twitter right here. Hashtag no motivation. We post consistently, boys. This is where the real happens, is on our Twitter. So, I give the real of the real. I might just be ranting on there. So, if you guys want to follow my Twitter, that's there. But yeah, this is our consensus for the day. Let's go ahead, full screen this. Go ahead, full screen this and copy image, and then come post this on our Twitter account, because plan for the day. Let me just do daily bias. Expecting, I could move it over here for you guys to see. Daily bias. Let's see if this works. Expecting push to unmitigated 15-minute gap. Looking for IFVG. So I'm expecting a push to unmitigated 15 minute gap. Entry, looking for IFVG. We're looking for IFVG, target relative equal lows. Okay. So, pretty simple day. What I need to do also is, post this to my Discord as well. Post this to the Discord, so I can look back at this and make sure that I send my pre-market analysis there, and make sure that I can properly execute my plan. So I know if I'm properly executing my plan. Daily bias. Expecting a push to unmitigated 15-minute gap. Expecting push to unmitigated 15-minute gap. Looking for IFVG. Target relative equal lows and London lows. What the fuck? Does it always spell out lows like the store, bro? Like low. I'm at an all-time low. Alright, get the hell off my screen, dude. Okay, anyway, I'll catch you guys. Alright, we're about to get this inverse right here. We didn't get the inverse, but didn't get the inverse on ES either, so anywhere else I would have taken it, but the fact that we did close this 15-minute gap, which is nice, but I would have taken it if ES kind of had the same volume, but it doesn't, so it's not safe for me to take this yet. Like, I really wanted to wait for this 5-minute, but just because of where, just because of our drawn liquidity, right? Because of our drawn liquidity, our rejection, and our speed here, I am going to take this 4-minute down. I'm going to take this 4-minute down, which is beautiful. Our speed, drawn liquidity, we're taking this 4-minute down to these equal lows right here. I understand the 5-minute didn't inverse, but out of just a couple years of trading experience, I understand that sometimes the drawn liquidity is stronger than actual what price is actually doing sometimes. So this is our trade right here. Definitely gonna be targeting that buy side draw right there. Definitely targeting that buy side draw. Break even point is gonna be this LRL. So overall, very, very simple trade. I wonder if I can hold my mic like this. Overall, just a very simple trade. Let me post this to my Twitter while I'm here. Post that to my Twitter while I'm here. And I'll post this to Discord as well. I'm typing in all caps. Now all we're pretty much waiting on is not even waiting on this 5 minutes to inverse, because I took it anticipating it would inverse, but we just need the 5 minute to just catch up with everything. If we can close right where we are right now and then a tad bit lower, if we can close about right here, then we should be good to go. Break even point, like I said, is going to be this low right here. Got to do a little trade recap after. Like, even if we lose this trade, boys, like, this is it's such a great setup. Like, even if we lose the trade, bro, like, this is such a good setup. Like, I just had to. Put this alert right there. There's our break-even point right there. Dude, this thing's moving so fast, like, holy. Alright, we're break even now. Break even now. This thing's moving so quick, like. Alert's a little bit late. Honestly, like, you really shouldn't have any problem getting down to this buy side here. It's an ugly ass candle though, can't lie. Ugly ass fucking candle. Oh yeah, that shit nasty as fuck. Wow, okay, nice. It's like that. I see. I see. Can't just book a win, huh, NQ? I see you gonna play hardball this week. Alright, well, fuck it, bro. We got break even on a great trade. I guess in theory, we could have... I guess in theory, we could have did some shit like this. Where it's like, you know... We took this trade on the 4, bro, so... We could have did some shit like this, and then... I don't know. Could have did something like that, bro. Maybe got 1.5R. Who fucking knows? Who the fuck knows what NQ wanted from us, man? But that's sick. Who the fuck knows what they wanted from us? Can't always predict what the markets want to do. I can only do the best I can, bro. And we have freaking relative equal lows resting right here. I mean, there's nothing else I can do but target those, right? Not much I can do but target those equal lows. But I mean, we're break even, so whatever. This is why I kind of feel like awkward about going for like anything over 1R. Like back in the day, I used to go for like 3R, 2.5R, and I used to like hit them and stuff. But like recently, like these past year and a half, year and a half, bro, I just been going for 1R. It's like I don't like losing. You know what I'm saying? I don't like losing, so I struggle with waiting a very long time. We're inside of a 15-minute gap on ES, but not shit on NQ. But ES is reacting off of that gap, so whatever. Either way, we're fried. But yeah, bro. I don't like waiting like a whole long time just to lose. You know what I'm saying? So going for 2.5R and stuff for me wasn't. I loved it when the trades hit and stuff, but like when they didn't, bro, holy crap, it was demoralizing. Like, dude, I'm literally up like $2,200 right now, and I have more to my TP. Why can't I just close the trade here? I'm already up 1.6R, bro. And like, let me just close. Oh, also, I freaking somehow accidentally, not even accidentally, it just automatically bought another Alpha Futures 50K for me. So I don't know what that's about, but we have a 50K Alpha Futures. Like, just have another account. And I also forgot to figure out how much I needed to make to be like at my 50% rule. So we need to make 1250. So 1250 divided by 2 is 625. Pretty sure if this trade were to hit. Oh, okay, yeah. Jeez, with the way it's fucking looking though, dude, we might just have to get it on the next one, bro. Holy. I don't care what we do or how close it comes to my stop loss as long as we just hit it, bro. I don't give a damn what happens. I don't give a damn what happens. That's what I came here for. And you know, like we got like a early entry too. You know what I'm saying? Like we got an early entry because we entered on the 4-minute instead of waiting on this 5-minute. If we would have waited on the 5-minute, dog, we would have. Dude, if we would have waited on this 5, bro, our entry would have been all the way down. Our entry would be something right here. Our entry on the 5 is right there. Pitiful, man. Literally pitiful. But, you know, we're close to this freaking sell side draw. Still have one one draw lower. Still have London lows lower as well. Have some great draws on liquidity, man. We just got to pick up the volume, pick up the speed a little bit. That's all we got to do, boys. Run it up, times 10. Up block on a brand new gym. I guess I've been really working on getting these Instagram reels out, man. Like I've been really good at it. Yesterday I got out like 7 videos, and it's not even like I'm like, oh, I gotta post a video today. It's like, nah, dude, I'm really just like having fun with it, man. I just post anything and everything. Like my brain be running rampant so many hours during the day. Like even if we lose this trade, it's still just a piece of content that I'm gonna make. Who else is in this trade with me? I don't know if we're gonna win or lose, bro. But like so far, we're not looking bad. Not looking too fucking bad. If you took this trade, you're an absolute stud. Congratulations. Who else is in? Gotta make everybody else feel good about themselves, you know what I'm saying? So I started my Instagram May 26th is the day. So what is it, like 26? So like 13 days ago. I have 60 posts in 13 days, which is really good. I have 60 posts. I started from ground zero to hero, so I'm at 31 followers now. I'm at 31 followers now, and then on Twitter, it's pretty hard to organically gain followers on Twitter, but I've been posting crazy on Twitter and stuff like that. So Twitter is pretty solid. Hold on, this shit's moving so fast, bro. Holy. Run it up times 10. Up block on a brand new gym. Like with this speed and everything, like, dude, there's just no way that we're not gonna hit. It's equal lows down there, dude. Like we're gonna hit that show. We're gonna hit that zone. And then after we hit it, I'm gonna freaking record another video, dude. Like, come on, bro. That's 4 before the day's even started, man. I hit the gym this morning. You know what I'm saying? Hit the gym. Dude, I've been so productive, bro. This is gonna have a lot of room to the downside, honestly, because ES is still like trying to catch up, but right now NQ's gonna do it for us. Just give it to us, man. Boomski. 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 Okay. Alright, bro. Look at that. That's another freaking video posted. You guys gotta really figure out like how to maximize everything, man. Like, not only did we get a YouTube video out today, but we got a YouTube video, this video, the video pre-market. Is really setting up. Who else is in this trade with me? Then we got a live video, and then we got the video of us hitting the trade and how it looks. And then we have a live trade afterwards. Oh, shit. All in one trade, bro. All in one trade. We got a live video after the trade. All in one, bro. Wallahi, bro. Say wallahi, bro. But, you know what I'm saying? I got some stuff to do because I've been up for a while. So I think I want to take a nap. But in order for me to take a nap, I got to knock some stuff out first. So, I'm going to go knock some stuff out, deliver this blanket to my friend's boy's house, to my dude's, deliver it to my dude's dad's house, man. And then after that, I can come back home and sleep, bro. Feed me way. All right, boys, it's been real. I fuck with y'all boys. And there's a lot of ups and downs, man, but what you got to realize is that, you just got to keep doing you, keep doing the best you can do, bro. That's all you can do. Wallahi, bro. All right, I get up with y'all boys. Peace.